Hi, I'm Adriana Hernandez and I recently completed a 14-week internship as a real-time analyst at Little Fees, a UK-based managed IT services provider. I was part of the service desk operations team, which ensures a smooth delivery of operations services to clients including ASOS, NHA Supply Chain, and National Gas. My role was centered around workforce management and real-time performance tracking, but what made my internship truly impactful was the opportunity to support Project Elevate, a large-scale transition from the outdated Max contact center platform to NICE's integrated agent system. I chose this internship because I wanted to gain real-world experience in analytics, performance optimization, and stakeholder engagement, all areas that align with my career aspirations in finance or business analysis. Over the course of my internship, I developed a wide range of competencies, but the four that stand out the most are advanced Excel and PowerPoint, strategic communication, analytical thinking and forecasting, and problem solving under pressure. I would like to focus on Excel and PowerPoint because this skill set transformed the most and is directly relevant to my future career goals. At the start, I was comfortable with the basics, formulas and charts, but I quickly realized that to deliver performance dashboards, stakeholder presentations, and project reports, I needed to go further. I became confident using pivot tables, VLOOKUP, conditional formatting, data validation, and even building interactive Gantt charts in Excel. For PowerPoint, I developed training decks for engineers transitioning to the new system. These had to be clear, visual, and accessible, especially given the varying tech fluency across teams. Feedback from my manager helped me refine both tools, PowerPoint and Excel, especially in how to present insights rather than just data. These improvements now give me a real advantage in any analytical role, whether it's preparing client investment briefings or internal performance reviews. One of the biggest challenges during my internship happened on March the 25th, when the Ring Central system went down for more than 14 hours. This was during an important part of our platform migration project, and it caused major disruption to training, communication, and normal operations. I will reflect on this using Gibbs' reflective cycle. Description: the outage was caused by a routine error during a system update. It affected phone services across the business and forced us to cancel or reschedule training and QA sessions. I was part of the rollout team, so I helped manage the communication and adjust the training plans. Feelings. At first, I felt nervous and under pressure. This was the first time I had to deal with a crisis in a real work environment. People were frustrated and uncertain, and I felt responsible for helping fix the situation. Evaluation. The situation showed us that we didn't have strong backup plans for this kind of failure. There were delays in communication, and we were relying too much on just one way of delivering training. However, it also showed how well the team worked together under pressure and how quickly we could adapt. Analysis. I realized how important it is to communicate clearly and quickly in situations like this. I supported the updated training schedule, helped collect user feedback, and joined in on the lessons learned review afterwards. We used the downtime to make improvements like better escalation steps and clearer instructions for users. Conclusion. This experience taught me how to stay calm, focus on solutions, and support a team during a difficult situation. I also learned that it is just as important to plan for what can go wrong as it is to plan for success. And finally, action plan. Since then, I've been more interested in risk management and crisis planning. These skills are really important in both finance and business roles, where unexpected problems can have big impacts. I now make sure to think ahead, plan alternatives, and stay flexible in every project that I do. This internship helped me confirm that my long-term goal is to build a career in finance or business analysis. These roles involve working with data, solving problems, communicating with different teams, and staying calm when things don't go as planned. All skills I developed during the Project Elevate rollout. Next year, I will be taking the elective module Investment and Portfolio Management, which will help me understand more about risk, investment strategies, and how financial decisions are made. This will build on the practical experience I gained during my internship, especially working with tools like Excel, PowerPoint, and applying real business models like Lewin's change model and the PDCA cycle. Looking at my knowledge and skills matrix, I've seen clear progress in digital literacy, clear analytical and evaluation skills, and understands the industry sector of the employing organization and the external factors which may impact on the organization. At the same time, I've also identified areas I need to work on, like improving my commercial awareness and gaining more client-facing experience. These are now a key part of my personal development plan for my final year. My time at Little Fish was more than just an internship. It was a chance to contribute meaningfully to a major organizational change. I applied academic models in real time, developed tools that added real value, and navigated a live service disruption with a cross-functional team. I now feel way more confident and ready for what's next, whether that's in finance or business analysis. I've got a clear idea of where I'm going, and I'm actually excited to keep learning, building new skills, and using everything I've picked up from this internship, especially when things get tricky. Bring on the next challenge. I also just want to say a big thank you to the NTU for giving me the chance to do this internship and reflect on the experience in such a meaningful way. It helped me build real skills, explore my career goals, and push myself farther than I expected. I'm really grateful and excited for what's ahead. Now, to back up everything I've shared, I will let a few of my closest co-workers do the talking.
Hi, my name's Martin Murphy. I'm the Employee Success Associate here at Little Fish. Since Adriana joined, she's helped me with a number of projects. One major project including a presentation to do with our telephony system. We are now upgrading that telephony system, and Adriana put a lot of time into creating a presentation to train our new service desk engineers on how to use this. Adriana has shown her skills across the Microsoft suite, including Teams and Word.
Hi, my name is Kieran Kinley. I'm the intraday and scheduling analyst here at Nottingham. Had Adriana, it's been absolutely fantastic because she's been a huge asset to the team, learning a lot about how we actually manage to continue that smooth operating for the service desk, which is not a light undertaking. IT is quite complicated. Whilst we've had her within the team, she's been able to really take on lots of different reports, dashboard monitoring, real-time adherence reporting. And one particular key area that Adriana has been focused on is adopting lots of Excel in her work, Outlook in terms of email reports that she's been sending out. So lots of key areas within the Microsoft 365 platform and utilising those to draft different reports and performance snapshots and that sort of thing. That's been really great. It's absolutely been fantastic having Adriana with us.